let's start doing this. So this is part 2 of this. Part 1 was taking this apart and realizing that it was full of roaches. Now we are going to... thank you. We opened up the power supply. Those roaches in the power supply. So we ordered replacement power supply.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
Let's get this in there. See what we got. So one of the things, I mean, you can still see like on this, all of the roach crap and everything. It's just great. So this goes there. Thank you very much for the sub, Poorly. I really, really appreciate it. Really helps the channel. All right, there we go. That is now attached. Okay, let's get this thing back apart. Oh, fan off. This little shroud off. That's off. What is going on here? Get our 4 fan screws out. There we go. I feel like you can still clean up. Fan. There goes there. Let's get these guys all out. Yeah, it was pre-treated. I hosed this thing down. This is when you were asking me if I was spraying this console down with water. Dose. It's definitely not water. Tres, cuatro, cinco. Nueve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Yep. And then ocho. Seis? Is it seis? Yeah, I really don't know my Spanish numbers that well. Cool. Alright. Metal plate. That's out of there. Agua. And then what's 11? Is it once? 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm just talking now. All right, we got this off. So, that out of here. Now we need to remove this. Oh, that's right. We need to remove this little plate. This little plate is not holding anything down, but we got to get it off of there. Okay, this guy. That's the one that goes over there. Plate. This little plastic nubbin likes holding on for dear life. All right, power supply. Route these cables through here. Okay. That way, these go this way. I always do this, like every single time I work on this, on one of these guys. So we need to lift this out. I have something about plugging these front ribbon cables in, and I hate it. So this needs to be up. That's down, up, down, up, down. All right, this goes in here. This goes in there. And it's up, down, left, right, left, right. A, B, A, B. I'm debating now. Come on. All right, we're gonna pull this real quick. I say real quick. There's no real quick when it comes to this. I just need to make sure that there's not a bunch of fluid underneath here. Or more roaches. Oh, it's been here for a few days already. This isn't like a new, just came in thing. And I've already hosed it down with Raid. That's why I saw a little bit over there and I just like, let me check to make sure we don't have like a puddle of Raid sitting underneath this. No, Emily, I haven't, thankfully. See if any of these guys come scurrying out. Very, very unlikely. What is this holding? Shouldn't be anything left holding this together. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I took that apart then. Because there's... We just got to clean up some roach spray. Basically everywhere where a screw goes through the board, there's a little bit of roach spray. Raid! Alright, we got it all off of there. Let's get it off of this side and gotta do the right thing to liquid metal. Yeah, same deal. So much Raid. Okay, back together. It's back in before that goes back on. Almost forgot things. We're gonna find out once I put it back together, Emily. If these folks having like a mass infestation after replacing the power supply, if it'll be up and running. It'd be nice. But man, I would kill for a good electric screwdriver again. It no longer holds a charge. Remember, we took it apart and we saw we could order the batteries, but taking it apart, it was not designed to go back together. So it physically would not go back together because you had to break the housing to get it open. That's why you haven't seen me use one in months, because it won't hold a charge for more than like half an hour. I like my LTT screwdriver, sure, but I also like not having carpal tunnel as well. I think I put a screw someplace where it wasn't supposed to go. And I'm missing a screw now. No, never mind. I'm not. I'm just blind. Alright. Why does this keep happening? Thank you. Up top. Ribbon cable. Okay. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi that way. And this guy goes there. One does not go there. From the bottom. That one, I'm pretty sure it's this one. That goes there. Flip this guy. That one goes. This one goes there. Flip this back over. Line that up. Yeah, looking good, looking good. That. We got Wi-Fi black, Wi-Fi white, white 2, Wi-Fi blue. Okay, Emily. And then lastly, next. Top on, screw. Now the whole thing with this, it's gonna work. Or it's not going to work. There's not going to be an in-between with this. So, hopefully it just works. Fan. It's there. It's not adhesive at all anymore. Also, not put this a bit away. That's in. 1, 2. As per usual, this thing probably is not going to work through my switch, but you know, I'm stubborn and I'm not going to change the fact that I'm doing it. Here we go. We got power. Yeah, it just will not ever go through my switch. So, all right. plug this back in. All right, we're good. We have Sony PlayStation, so apparently I can't play this game because it's not a PS5 controller. I've never played this game on console. I only ever played it on PC. Now we get to see how bad I am. Oof, I can't do it. I'm reverse. This is supposed to go up. That's supposed to go down. I'm used to flying planes. No, it's not southpaw. It's inverted. So on a plane, when you pull back on the yoke, you go up. When you push forward on the yoke, you go down. Man, the ADS down in this game is actually terrible. All right, we're just gonna say that this is good enough. If I was gonna have a problem with it, it'll probably start happening now.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/Bradenton PC Repair. If you want to learn more about my services, you can check out BradentonPCRepair.com. And if you have questions when I'm not streaming, you can get a link to our Discord down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.